sharing our travels in the Cagayan region in the Philippines. My name is Jomarc, and my mission is to influence and inspire the youth to take up STEAM professions. In addition, I'm an Autodesk certified instructor, LinkedIn advocate, building information modeling advocate, and an Adobe education trainer. If you are interested in how computer-aided design can boost your science, technology, engineering, arts, and math program in schools, then invite us and we'll be happy to conduct hands-on training with your faculty and students. Thank you to our friends in the Cagayan region for the warm hospitality. See you in one of our Lincoln local, Toastmasters, Adobe, and Autodesk events in the Philippines.
Tingnan mo yung mga tulay na dating mga tulay. Tinutugtungan lang yung